We are open for business as normal. If anybody needs care today, we are open. We're ready to take care of patients, and we're fully expecting to take care of anyone who needs it.
And that just coming in this morning, thousands of UC workers will begin a 3-day strike across the state starting this morning. Healthcare, research, and technical employees are all walking out over what they say are unfair labor practices at the university.
So today's strike scheduled at both UC Davis Veterinary Hospital in Davis and then UC Medical Center here in Sacramento. Let's go to your reporter, Claudette Stefanian, joining us live from the medical center, getting answers. And Claudette, what did workers say drove them to this point?
Good morning, Dina and Dom. We're over here at the UC Davis Medical Center. We are already seeing these workers show up. I mean, you can see the amount of activity that we're able to witness this morning. As we're taking a closer look at the scene, you can see that those protesters are already starting to gather around some of the tents in the distance. We've already started to see their tables get set up, as well as some of the signs out here. And we were able to connect with one of the union groups this morning who is here and alleging that they're here striking over unfair labor practices. Now, physician assistants, optometrists, pharmacists, RN case managers, and mental health clinicians are just some of the groups planning to strike today, which are scheduled to take place at hospitals, campuses, and laboratories. The union says these professionals support UC students, patient care, and research on critical issues such as climate change, and claims the university has silenced whistleblowers over the staffing crisis. This morning, we were able to connect with a social worker as well as UC Davis Health. Take a listen.
10,000 of our members voted to ratify a platform that meaningfully makes changes in staffing, in work-life balance, and in job security. And we just want to have those meaningful discussions about those issues. None of UC's proposals even touch on those issues.
So it's very important to balance recognition of our employees who do a great job and do wonderful things for our patients with understanding that the money to pay them comes out of patient pockets.
Dina and Dom, once again, giving you guys a look at what we're able to see this morning. Again, this strike is planned for 7 o'clock this morning. Now, we were able to hear from UC Davis Health that they're not planning for this to affect anything that's happening at the hospital today, that patients can still come in and things are supposed to continue as scheduled. So, of course, we're going to stay here throughout the morning and we're going to see how things unfold from here. With that, back to you.
Yeah, it might not impact the scheduled procedures and things, but certainly as people are walking in the door, they will see all of that activity today. All right, Claudette, thank you so much for the updates.